to our father of nation and father of Indian Constitution, an eminent jurist, a political analyst, and a great intellectual, the greatest intellectual which India has ever produced, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. On this occasion, an occasion of paying rich floral tributes on the 57th Mahaparinirvan Divas, I like to request each and everyone to be, I like to thank each and everyone who have come here, and I like to request Dr. Thirumal sir to garland the portrait of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar on this occasion. I request Kandu Gupta, Yogesh and Prakash to accompany.
Johar Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Johar, Johar.
Johar Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Johar, Johar. Johar Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Johar, Johar. Johar Raju Venkatesh. Johar, Johar. Johar Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Johar, Johar. Johar Nelson Mandela. Johar, Johar. Johar Nelson Mandela. Johar, Johar.
Friends, this day, 6th of December, marks many important events of this country, of the nation, daily national life of this country. This was the day being used by the Sangh Parwar and RSS to demolish the Babri Masjid in order to kind of demean the Dalit Bahujan alliance, which became stronger during that period. And this is the same day which marks the death anniversary of Nelson Mandela, who was passed away a day before. And this day we are going to initiate, as a mark of resistance to the Brahminical administration, a hunger strike which is going to be led by Gummadi Prabhakar, Silvere Harunath, Immadi Naveen Kumar and Sunkanna. Friends, why we have to start a hunger strike on this day has to be explained. When Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, when he went to submit a representation to Southwark Commission of Deprived Classes first, there was no representation of scheduled castes in particular in higher education, that too higher technical education. And now when on this day, when the scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and OBCs and all classes have started entering into the higher education fold, the Brahmins, which constitute about 80% of the faculty positions, have started victimizing these students. And that has led to many suicides which this campus has witnessed. From 2008 onwards, if we count on Sendil Kumar, then Bal Raju, and Puliyal Raju, now day before Madhari Venkatesh. Now how many suicides we will have to see that will be determine this protest. If we are strong on this day, as Dr. B.R. Ambedkar has said, lost rights are never regained by the conscience of the usurpers. They have to be fought back and taken back. And we should not be fighting like goats, and we should not offer ourselves as a sacrifice to the lion. Rather, we should roar as a lion and fight back. With this, we have been staging many protests. We have questioned the administration. We have questioned the Vice Chancellor. We have questioned the Dean of the Director of Akram. They have not considered our pleas. We have even petitioned outside. The petitions also have not started their investigations yet. When we have been done with all kinds of democratic means and democratic protests, then comes the alternative mode, the final mode of agitation through hunger strike. And this is the day which we are going to initiate it. And I like to request Professor Thirumal sir to speak a few words on this day, on this agitation.
Dear friends, December 6th, as Prashant was just mentioning, is a historically loaded day. So many, it's such a conflicting histories are taking place on this particular day. It's a sad occasion for us to inaugurate an agitation on this particular day. I was told that the High Court actually very clearly says it's contempt of court if there are institutional lapses. I'm not very sure why the university is taking so much time to very clearly spell out punitive measures against, persons concerned. I am very happy that the ASA and several other student organizations have come forward to voice their protest against this continuing harassment of students, the marginalized students on this campus. I wish them well. Thank you.
On behalf of Raju Venkatesh Solidarity Committee, I like to request Gumadi Prabhakar and Silver Harinath, Immadi Naveen Kumar and Velpula Sunkanna to come and officiate the dais. And I like to request Raghu, a PDF scholar from School of Chemistry, to Garland Gumadi Prabhakar, who is going to sit on for a fast unto death, and Venkatesh Chauhan from Department of Telugu to Garland Silver Harinath, and Uday Banu to Garland Immadi Naveen Kumar. And Shekhar from Master of Business Administration to Garland Sunkanna.
जोहार डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर जोहार जोहार स्लोगन से
We would like to request each and every of the students who are present here to be present with us until the last decision is being taken on the demands. The demands are, first demand is resignation of Vice Chancellor. Resignation of Vice Chancellor demand comes in the wake of the negligent attitude of him in non-implementation of various committee reports. When Senthil Kumar report was not implemented, Pulal Raju committee report was released in the month of April, it was not implemented. When many students have went and given their complaints, when they have registered their grievances, and in the case of Madari Venkatesh also, he has given a representation to the Vice Chancellor stating, I don't have a guide. I have only one faculty as DRC member. But it is his negligence, it is his lethargic attitude which has resulted in the cost of one Dalit student's life. And hence, he should take it as his responsibility and should consider it as his weakness. Not only weakness, it is a direct strategic move of Vice Chancellor in killing the Dalit Bahujan students on this campus. Hence, he should resign to the post of Vice Chancellor. And second one is judicial probe into the institutional murder of Madari Venkatesh. And this judicial probe has not been initiated so far. And our Vice Chancellor, in order to delay the process, he is saying that he will contact some two retired judges outside. I don't know in what authority he is being given a power to constitute a judicial probe. Judicial probe has to be initiated by the court of law, which the university has to file a petition and ask for a judicial probe into the murder of Venkatesh. Rather, he is saying in order to delay the process of the agitations and all, and to delay the justice for the Madari Venkatesh, he is advocating, I'll provide a retired judge to investigate into this matter. And we demand a judicial probe from the High Court. And third one is punish the guilty. The guilty includes both teaching and the non-teaching staff. Wherein, in the case of Venkatesh, it was clear that there were lapses from teaching staff, which was also highlighted by the committee report which has come a few days back. And in the case of there were clear lapses on which, though we have given many complaints, the Vice Chancellor has not initiated any action so far. And fourth one is employment to the kins of Raju and Venkatesh. And it is a request from the Solidarity Committee of Raju and Venkatesh, to all non-teaching faculty, all non-teaching employees and teaching faculties to join with us in this agitation and to extend their solidarity to this fast and to death agitation. Thank you. If anyone wants to speak on the issue of those who are related to Madari Venkatesh, who have seen the case of Madari Venkatesh, can please come on to the dais and speak a few words about it.